Welcome to El Nido, a tropical paradise in the Philippines renowned for its breathtaking limestone cliffs, crystal clear turquoise waters, and pristine beaches. Situated on the northern tip of Palawan, El Nido is a haven for adventure seekers, nature lovers, and beach enthusiasts. With its stunning landscapes, vibrant marine life, and rich local culture, El Nido promises an unforgettable vacation experience. Join us as we uncover the top things to do in this enchanting destination. Your dream tropical getaway starts here. First on our list is exploring the stunning lagoons and hidden beaches. El Nido is famous for its incredible lagoons, each offering its own unique charm and beauty. Start with a visit to the small lagoon, accessible by kayak or swimming. Surrounded by towering limestone cliffs, the lagoon's calm, emerald waters create a serene atmosphere that's perfect for relaxation and snorkeling. Next, head to the big lagoon, which is larger and more open than the small lagoon. Here, you can rent a kayak or paddleboard to explore its expansive waters and take in the magnificent views of the limestone formations. The big lagoon is a great spot for spotting sea turtles and colorful marine life. Another must-visit is Secret Beach. To reach this hidden gem, you'll need to swim through a narrow opening in the rocks. Once inside, you'll find a secluded beach surrounded by dramatic cliffs. The beach's crystal clear waters and soft white sand make it a perfect spot for swimming and sunbathing. For a taste of local culture, visit the charming town of El Nido. The town is a vibrant hub with a laid-back atmosphere, local markets, and a variety of dining options. Wander through the local market to sample fresh tropical fruits and try local delicacies like the famous El Nido seafood. Don't miss the opportunity to experience Filipino hospitality and immerse yourself in the local way of life. No trip to El Nido is complete without a visit to the stunning beaches. The island boasts several beautiful beaches, each with its own unique character. Start with Nakon Beach, a long stretch of golden sand with clear waters and a relaxed vibe. It's an ideal spot for sunbathing, swimming, and enjoying a leisurely day by the sea. For a more secluded experience, visit Maramegmig Beach. Known for its stunning sunsets and tranquil ambience, this beach is perfect for unwinding after a day of adventure. There are several beachside bars and restaurants where you can enjoy a refreshing drink and take in the view. If you're up for an adventure, try island hopping tours. El Nido is famous for its island hopping opportunities, and there are several tours available that will take you to some of the most beautiful islands and lagoons in the area. Popular tours include Tour A, which visits attractions like the Small Lagoon, Big Lagoon, and Secret Beach, and Tour C, which explores stunning islands like Matinlock Island, Hidden Beach, and Star Beach. For those who enjoy snorkeling, El Nido offers some incredible underwater experiences. The waters around the islands are teeming with vibrant marine life, including colorful fish, sea turtles, and stunning coral reefs. Popular snorkeling spots include the Chamizo Island, which has a shallow reef perfect for snorkeling, and the Helicopter Island, known for its beautiful coral gardens and diverse marine life. For a unique and memorable experience, consider a visit to the stunning waterfalls of El Nido. One of the most popular waterfalls to visit is the Nagalit Calit Falls, located in the forested area of El Nido. The waterfall cascades into a natural pool where you can take a refreshing dip and enjoy the surrounding lush greenery. Another great waterfall to visit is the Cadlo Falls, which is situated on Cadlo Island. The waterfall is surrounded by dramatic cliffs and offers a picturesque setting for a relaxing swim and picnic. For adventure enthusiasts, a trek to the Turo Cliff is a must. The Turo Cliff offers breathtaking panoramic views of El Nido and the surrounding islands. The climb is challenging, but the reward is well worth it. The views from the top are absolutely spectacular and provide a unique perspective of the stunning landscape of El Nido. If you're interested in exploring more of Palawan, take a day trip to the nearby island of Coron. Coron is known for its stunning lakes, including the famous Kayangan Lake, which is often ranked among the clearest lakes in the Philippines. You can also explore the picturesque Twin Lagoons and go diving in some of the best dive sites in the region. For accommodations, El Nido offers a range of hotels and resorts to suit every traveler's needs. Whether you're looking for a luxurious beachfront resort or a budget-friendly guest house, you'll find plenty of options. For a high-end experience, consider staying at the El Nido Resort's Layden Island or Pangasinan Island Resort, both of which offer stunning views, private villas, and top-notch amenities. If you're traveling on a budget, Spin Designer Hostel and Outpost Beach Hostel provide comfortable and stylish accommodations with a friendly atmosphere. Back in El Nido, don't miss the chance to experience the local nightlife. The town offers a range of nightlife options, from beachside bars to lively clubs. Enjoy a sunset cocktail at a beachfront bar or dance the night away at one of the local clubs. The nightlife in El Nido is relaxed and casual, making it the perfect way to unwind after a day of exploration. When it comes to dining, El Nido offers a diverse range of culinary options. For an upscale dining experience, head to Altrove, a renowned restaurant known for its delicious Italian cuisine and stunning views. If you're in the mood for fresh seafood, visit Sava Beach Bar, where you can enjoy a variety of seafood dishes and cocktails while taking in the beautiful beachside setting. For budget-friendly options, try the local eateries and street food stalls. The Lola's Street Food Stall offers a range of delicious Filipino street food, including skewered meats, rice dishes, and fresh fruit. Another great option is the local eatery Luging Cafe, which serves hearty Filipino dishes at affordable prices. As your day in El Nido comes to an end, make sure to find a good spot to watch the sunset. The sunsets in El Nido are truly magical, with vibrant colors painting the sky and reflecting off the water. Whether you're on a beach, a boat, or a cliff, the sunset in El Nido is a sight to behold and the perfect way to end a day of adventure. For a unique adventure, consider a visit to the stunning El Nido mangroves. These coastal ecosystems are vital for the health of the local marine environment and provide a fascinating area to explore. Guided kayaking tours through the mangroves offer a serene way to observe diverse bird species, including the rare and beautiful white-bellied sea eagle, and learn about the important role mangroves play in coastal protection and marine life support. If you're interested in ecotourism and conservation efforts, visit the El Nido Community-Based Sustainable Tourism (CBST) program. This initiative focuses on preserving the natural beauty of the region while promoting responsible tourism practices. You can engage with local communities, participate in conservation activities, and support sustainable projects that help protect El Nido's unique environment. For those who love hiking, the trek to the Nakon Beach viewpoint is worth the effort. This hike offers panoramic views of Nakon Beach and its surroundings, providing a stunning backdrop for photos and a peaceful spot to take in the natural beauty of El Nido. Thanks for joining us on this tour of the top things to do in El Nido. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear about your favorite spots in El Nido or any tips you have for other travelers. See you in the next video.